Hello, in this video I want to show you multi-tenancy in action. So today it's possible to define set of set of namespaces that would use multi-tenant chess server instead of a single tenant one. And all this can be demoed in production. So I have openshiftio opened here, and the namespaces that are multi-tenant ready can be defined in the chess multi-tenant namespaces property in chess starter. So for now, my namespace is defined as a multi-tenant ready. So what it means that if I open my tenant on the production cluster and open ibuzuk namespace, you can see that there is no chess server here right now. So and this means that when I would try to create a workspace, the multi-tenant chess server that is deployed to the avs-devshift.net, so currently we use it for testing, would be used as a chess server for when I will try to create a workspace. So you can see that in the multi-tenant chess namespace I have not only chess server but also a Postgres database. So now let's try to create a space. My space. Okay, and I'll use all the defaults. So I use vertex, booster, quick start, all the defaults here. And now press finish. So all is good. My space has been just created. For some reason it's not updated here so that I have a code base, but if I navigate to code bases you will see one. So it looks like a UI bug. So now let's try to create a workspace and I will show you what's going to happen. So you can see I have my ibuzuk chess namespace here, no chess server. I'll press create workspace button. And now you can see that the new workspace deployment has been just created. So it's pulling the vertex image right now. And we can see that there would be relevant logs in chess server and multi-tenant one. So the deployment is created and now it launched the terminal agent. So the deployment is now running. So we need to wait a little bit and workspace will be started. Also, you can see that the the workspace URL has the avs-devshift.net domain instead of the console starter one that was used previously. So, and you can see that my space, my workspace with my space project is up and running. So I can now, build it, and it works pretty much the same as a single tenant. So the good thing that user will not even notice that he's now uses multi-tenant server. The experience is just the same. So I can just update the readme, Eclipse booster, just git that to index, git remotes push. Oh, haven't committed, sorry. Git commit, and here I will use push. So all the functionality would be working the same way as for multi-tenancy. And the good thing that from the API perspective, the changes are done only internally in ChessStarter. So neither UI nor Wheat will need to change anything. So it would work just as if it was a single tenant one. So, and you can see that I have just committed. Yeah, and also we can still use the dashboard for cleanup. So if I navigate to the dashboard, I can see all my workspaces, so I can delete it, and you can see that all the resources like deployment, routes also would be deleted in my iBuzukcha space. That's it. Workspace is not running now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.